Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Greetero. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing, thank you for the support guys. So in the description box below I have my Instagram page, like if you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. So today's pick a card reading is going to be what you need to know right now, like exactly what you need to hear. That is the topic of this, exactly what you need to hear. So I have pulled out 3 groups and I have kept the crystals. You can select one group and go with your reading. Okay, so the first group is this obsidian crystal. Okay, this is for group number 1. For group number 2 we have this rose quartz, and for group number 3 we have this green aventurine. Okay, so yeah, so 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so these are the 3 groups over here for exactly what you need to hear right now. Okay, so remember, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. In the description box below I will be providing the timestamps. You can go ahead and watch accordingly. Okay, so yeah, so I'll just show it once again. 1, 2 and 3. So clear your mind, let go of all the worries and select a pile that calls to you. Okay, select intuitively. Okay, so yeah, so yes, I'm gonna go ahead with the group 1. So hello group 1, whoever chose this obsidian crystals, let's see what is your reading, what you need to know right now, like exactly what you need to hear. So let's see what are your tarot cards. So let's see, for the first card you pulled out is 8 of Cups. Okay, so leaving a situation here. And then 9 of Cups. Okay, so you need to let go of something. So when you let go of something, you will be feeling so good about yourself, because with this 8 of Cups and 9 of Cups, maybe it's a relationship, maybe it's a career, whatever it is, you need to let go of a situation. And when you let go of this situation, you will be feeling so satisfied, so happy. Okay, and then we have this 4 of Cups. Yes, you're not seeing the potential, you're just holding on to that situation, you know. And 4 of Wands, with this 2 fours I see stability, but you are in your own way. I feel like that with these 2 cards over here. I feel like that you are in your own way, your wishes will be granted, universe is working towards your success. I feel like that, but you're in your own way. I feel like that in some sort of way, you, because of your limiting beliefs, you're just holding on to something, and that is not good for you. So they want you to know that it's time to let go of the past. If you're holding on to the past, because of that some of you are not moving forward. Okay, so you're not seeing, with this 4 of Cups energy, I feel you're not seeing the things universe is providing to you, because you're holding on to a situation that is not good for you. Okay, so the thing you need to know right now, exactly you need to know right now, is just don't hold on to the situation that is not working for you. Okay, listen to your intuition in this case. If you feel like that this is not working, that this place is not making you happy, you need to get out of that. Okay, so for many of you, you need to let go, and I feel many of you have let go of the situation, but right now you're not seeing that, okay, I let go of this, and you're just feeling like, what I'm going to do next, you know. You're sad about it, but remember, the universe is working towards it, because with this 9 of Cups and this 4 of Wands, I exactly feel like that your wishes are gonna fulfill. Okay, you don't have to worry about anything right now, you just need to keep moving forward with your goals. Okay, and stability is there with this 2 fours and 4 of Wands. I completely see stability, a good home life. Maybe some of you are manifesting a twin flame, because this 4 of Wands talks about that also. And this, with this blues, look the color, the blue color, the cup energy, your emotions, you know, you are so much you're a very emotional person. I feel like that because of that only you have little bit problem to let go of something, because you're holding on to, maybe you're a person who holds on to relationship a lot, or something, you know, that you invested your time in. You don't give up easily, and but right now you need to move on from that. Okay, maybe it's your past situation that you're just holding on, and all the time when you think about it, you just go into that energy where you're feeling so bad about it, right? So you need to let go of that completely, and when you let go, look, you will see the potential that you have inside yourself. Okay, remember. And yes, with this 9 of cups, you will be feeling so happy, so satisfied within yourself. So you need to make that change. Okay, so yeah, write, take a journal and write what you need to let go, what are you controlling in your life. Sometimes you don't know what you're controlling, so just take a piece of paper, meditate, and write what you need to let go. Okay, and when you let go that completely, look, you will be so happy. I see that with this 4 of wands, and I feel your home life will be very very stable with this 4 of wands energy. Some celebrations are coming. Okay, so you'll be taking part in that celebration also. You'll be very very happy, you'll be celebrating for something. Okay, you are not seeing it right now, it's hidden. I feel for some of you it's like hidden, but you will eventually see it, and you will be very very satisfied and happy. Okay, so look, no need to worry. Look at that card came out. No need to worry. Why are you worrying about something? You're just because your emotions, with this cup energy, you might be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel like that. So that's why your emotions are so much, right, because of this cup. So that's why you're getting so emotional. But don't worry. Okay, the angels want you to know that the rainbows are coming. Okay, so the difficult part of the situation is over. You need to let go that completely. You don't have to think about it, and you don't have to think about the negative things also, that this will go wrong, if this will go right. Just don't stress, just keep on doing what you're doing. Okay, I see in a relationship, if you have left a relationship, you will be finding someone new that is going to be stable, that will make you happy. That person will make you happy. So if a relationship was not working in the past, that doesn't mean it will not work in the future. So you might be like this also, your relationships are not working, so you're like that you feel like you're not meant for relationships or something like that. It's not that. Okay, sometimes things take time. For some of you it might be career that is taking time, for some of you it might be relationship that is taking time, right? So sometimes we don't get everything we need, right? It takes time, it takes patience, it takes some every time things doesn't come quickly as we want. It takes time. So you need to remember that. But when you let go of the things that is controlling you, sometimes your mind controls you. No, you shouldn't do that. You should control your mind, right? So maybe your thinking is like overflowing, you're stressing about all the negative things, so you need to let go of that. For some of you that might be the case, the overthinking might be the case, because with this no need to worry card, I feel like that you don't have to worry too much, because in the future eventually you will be happy about the things that went away, that was not for you, and you will know why it was not for you. Okay, so don't stress about that anyways, right? And look, creative, something creative. Okay, second chakra, Archangel Michael. So it's your sacral chakra. It's the time for movement. It's the time, you're going to be very very creative. And with this creative also, maybe if you are feeling if you want to be, if you want to conceive, I feel like that you don't need to worry about that. You just need to go with the flow. Sometimes stress is not good for you. Okay, you're stressing a lot, I feel like that. So don't stress about that. When you're trying to conceive, be in a happy mode, be joyful about that, don't stress about it. Okay, I feel like that with the second, because it's all about sacral chakra here. And many of you are very very creative. Okay, so don't let your creative ideas go. Okay, sometimes sometimes we just don't trust our creative ideas, we don't trust our creative ability. So Archangel Ariel is here to let you know that your creative ideas will work. It will work. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it, you don't have to overthink about it. Okay, just go with the flow. Then support. Look, your life purpose fully supports you. So whatever creative field you are in, you're being supported by your angels. You don't have to worry about it. So some of you are just completely over stressing about things, and you're in a hurry to do things, I feel like that. So it's time to be patient about it. Okay, many people are patient here, but I feel you need to be more patient, because everything happens accordingly at the correct time. So remember, your angels are supporting you. Okay, so this is right now I feel this message came to you now because you feel like that things are not flowing according to you. You're stressing about something, maybe a situation, but you need to let go of that situation. When you let go of that situation completely, you will see the magic then only. Okay, so don't try to control it, because you have Four of Wands. You're getting the stability. You might be seeing 444s, or 4 number is important to you. Okay, with this 9, 36, that is 9 number, completion of a cycle also I can see. You're letting go of that. A cycle is completed, new cycle is beginning, where you will be happy about your life. Okay, you're completely supported, your angels are with you don't have to worry about anything, right? So that is what the main message is here. Don't worry, guys. And look, we have this Return of the Spirit card here. With this card, I feel finally you will realize that you have your worth. Okay, you will realize that your creative ideas will work. You will be trusting in yourself also. I feel like that finally you are like letting go of the situation. So in the future, I feel many of you are letting go of that situation and completely coming in alignment with yourself, your needs. Okay, taking your doing your self-care and working on yourself and trying to improve yourself day by day and connecting with the spirit. And when you connect with the spirit, I feel with this card also, I feel your wishes are gonna fulfill. And you have this 9 of Cups energy also, so you have the potential to make your dreams successful. But the only thing is, you need to believe in yourself. You need to believe that you cannot control anything. Okay, you cannot control anything. You can only control your thinking, your thoughts, and that is what you have to change here. Okay, and when you do that, when you change your thoughts, when you change your thoughts into into positivity, when you feel that you are capable, you're unique, and you have talent, when you feel that you can do that, and when you feel the angels are protecting you, when you feel that you will be able to achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life, you will be able to do that because you have the potential. So don't think otherwise. Just think positive right now, because you're completely supported. You don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so don't cling on to your past also, because maybe in your past, in your childhood, you might be thinking about your childhood, that your childhood was so easy, so nice, and wish I could go back to my childhood. Maybe you're thinking about that. Okay, it was so easy, the adulthood is so hard. You might be thinking that. So you don't have to think like that. Okay, just don't cling on to your past. Just get out of there. It's okay to think of your childhood memories and be happy, but don't think of that and be sad. Okay, that is what I feel like that here. So you have a lot of potential, guys. Your angels want you to know that you have a lot of potential in your career also. I feel like that with this obsidian, this is like Capricorn energy. I feel like that. So you have the potential to achieve whatever you want in your life. Maybe you want to reach high in your in your career. You will be able to do that. I just saw 11. Okay, so yeah, so yeah, you have this potential, right? I was talking about the potential, and so 11, so I had to say that. So yes, you don't have to worry about anything. Don't stress, guys. So yes, work, just work on yourself, your creativity, improve yourself, work hard with determination. You will have that stable life that you want. Okay, that house you want, that car you want, whatever you want, your wishes will be fulfilled. Okay, whatever wishes you have, maybe a partner or twin flame. Okay, that is also something I see here. So you don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so that's all I have for group number 1. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment, or share. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care. So hello, group 2, whoever chose this rose quartz crystal. I feel many of you are healing, in the healing process with this rose quartz, or maybe you're just loving yourself, knowing more about yourself, embracing yourself. Okay, so let's see what you need to know right now. And the first card is like, we have this devil energy. Yeah, so you're finally freeing yourself from the doubt, fears, or maybe a relationship. You're getting out of your fear with this rose quartz. I do feel like that you're getting clarity about something. Okay, with this Ace of Swords, you're getting clarity about a relationship, and because of that, you will be moving away from this relationship, or you are getting an understanding. You are finally in a stage where you know what you need to do. You are getting clarity about certain people, or maybe you're getting clarity about your own behavior that is stopping you from achieving your own success. Maybe in the past you didn't allow yourself to embrace yourself completely because of other people expectations on you. Finally you're realizing that you have worth, you have your own power, and you are unique. I'm seeing inner growth for you guys. Finally you're realizing your inner growth, and finally you're realizing that you are worthy, and because of that I feel you're getting out of this devil energy. And with this Ace of Swords, new beginnings are happening for you guys. Maybe it was a substance that you were obsessing over. Maybe it can be also some kind of food. You were overeating. Simple as that, something very very simple. Or maybe a relationship that was tying you down, or maybe a career that was tying you down, and finally you're understanding that it's not for you. This fear is not for you, this self-doubt is not for you, and finally you're embracing that and getting out of it. You're getting that clarity, and you're finally moving from all the fears, all the doubts, or maybe someone was obsessing about you, and you know that it's not good for you. Or maybe you were obsessing about something and you're realizing it was not good for you, and finally you're overcoming that and coming out of it. That is what I see for you guys, and that is what healing is taking place. Finally you're embracing yourself and you're growing from inside. Okay, and when you grow from inside, things shift. Okay, so I feel for you're getting a better clarity about yourself, and you will be very very successful in that also. So something new is beginning in your life, where look, with this Queen of Swords, you're taking your power back. Definitely you're feeling powerless in your past, but now in your future you're not going to be like that. You'll be full, you know what is good for you. Finally you're realizing what substances you need to put inside your body also, what is good for you, what is not good for you, what is healthy for you, what is not healthy for you, and you're doing everything to make your life good. You're going on a better path. I feel like that you were in this path where that was not good for you. That was in health wise also it was not good for you, or mentally you were not feeling good, physically you were not feeling good. But finally you're understanding that these all things that was weighing you down, it's not good for you. You're realizing that, you're getting the clarity, and you're moving on, and you are going to be in your power. You're going to be in the driver's seat right now. You're from the passenger seat to driver's seat. You know your power, you know your worth, and now you will be very cautious also about trusting someone, because in the past you were so innocent that you were trusting everyone. But finally you're realizing that you're going to be very very that kind of a person who has a boundary, and you will not let in easily. And I feel because of this you are having these trust issues also. Okay, so you're not going to accept anyone very easily, or you're not going to trust easily because of this all past thing. But you're getting out of that, you're taking your power back. That's a good thing. Look, and you are changing from inside. You know that you have strength now, you are in your power now. You know that you have endured a lot, and you are appreciating. If you're not appreciating yourself for that, just pat on your back, because you have come a long way. Okay, you have left this kind of the devil energy. You have maybe for you it was like a substance that was weighing you down, and you have let it go. Okay, so that was a very good thing to do. And finally you're embracing your new self, you're loving yourself, and finally you know that you are powerful. You have the strength to overcome anything in your life. Okay, you're in your power. I feel like that with this strength card also, and you're going towards your goal. You're living for yourself, right? And that's a good thing for you guys. So you are loving yourself with this rose quartz. You're loving yourself, you're embracing yourself, you're growing from inside. So it's a good thing. But we got this card not the right time. Okay, maybe if you're planning to make a decision, it's not the right time. Don't do something in a hurry. Okay, maybe sometimes because of this Queen of Swords, I feel like that you're not trusting anyone right now in your life. So don't be in a hurry to not trust them. I feel like that. Take your time. If they are good, you will know eventually. So trust your intuition also. Okay, don't do anything in a hurry. Okay, so not the right time for something. Okay, if you have a question in your mind, they are saying it's not the right time, just take it slow, don't go fast. Okay, maybe some better things are coming. Okay, don't be in a hurry. Okay, then we have books. Okay, so maybe you need to connect with books also. Maybe you're gonna learn more about things, or maybe you will get your answers in some books. Maybe there is a book you need to relearn. Okay, that is also coming here. You need to learn a book, you need to read a book. So for some of you, some specific messages this, that you need to read a book that you have been not reading for quite a while. Okay, yeah, with this energy, with this devil and all tied up, you're getting out of that. Yeah, that's a good thing. You're understanding you have power, and you're loving yourself, you're healing from this, you're finally getting out of this situation of where you were feeling restricted. And maybe you will learn, you're going for higher education, or you're thinking about that. For that, I feel you need to research also and then take a step forward. Okay, so yeah, some you will get some information from books. That is what, with these books, I feel like that you need to read, some book is waiting for you to read, and you will get some clarity or understanding, maybe some clarity. With this Ace of Swords, you will get some clarity, understanding by reading some books. Okay, that is also coming here. And finally, and I'm sure you will get out of the situation, you're getting out of this devil energy, and you're taking your power back. Okay, you will be very, very strong and courageous, and at the same time, embrace your innocence also, because sometimes I told you that you will have this trust, you will not be able to trust people easily, but that doesn't mean you cannot enjoy your life, or you have to, or you will not be able to enjoy your innocence, you will not be able to enjoy your childlike energy. You can do that. Okay, you don't have to be serious all the time. Okay, I feel with this Queen of Swords energy, you are going to be very, very serious, and somewhere you got lost, your childlike energy got lost. It's important you have that energy also, where you are doing something for yourself, being happy about something, just looking at the butterflies and being happy about it. That childlike energy where children get happy so easily, so you need to do that also often. And for you guys, the good thing is that you're getting out of this situation, this devil and the things that were weighing you down, and you're taking your power back. And yeah, and some specific messages about not the right time, that's something something. Okay, so let's just clarify, what is this not the right time for you? Okay, wait, what is this not the right time? Just clarify. Wait a minute, I'll just take the cards. What is this not the right time for you guys? Okay, let's see. What is not the right time? Justice. Okay, and Knight of Cups. Yeah, I feel like that for many of you, you are I told you, you might have some trust issues or something. You'll not trust someone very easily. So someone is coming towards you, and you are judging them. Okay, you have made your judgment already, but it's not the right time to make the judgment. Okay, I feel you need to take some time off. You need to understand that person. So because of your past, maybe in a relationship you had some failures, or someone cheated, or someone that kind of energy where people were not so faithful, so you are not going to trust anyone very easily. But it's not the right time to do that. You don't have to trust this person easily. That doesn't mean you have to let go of this person. You need to take your time. Okay, don't think, don't judge a book by its cover. I feel like that kind of energy is coming. You don't have to judge very quickly. You take your time. That doesn't mean you have to accept it also, accept the offer also, because someone is coming with an offer, I feel like that, and you are making a judgment. You have already made a judgment that this person is not good. Don't do that, okay? It's not the right time to do that. I feel like that for many of you. It's the right time to think about it, and just give it some time, just give it some time, and see how this person acts. Just don't push them away. So that is what I feel. Okay, need to be more now, embrace yourself, childlike energy, joyful energy. I feel you're being very serious because of your past. Yeah, because of your past, you've been very serious. Your past, your past, your relationship were not so good. You have endured a lot because of that. Because that's the reason you're not trusting others very easily, and you're you're pushing them away. So don't do that. That's the thing. It's not the right time to do that. Maybe this person have is trustworthy, because everyone will not be the same. Okay, so it's not the right time to do that, but you give some time. If you want more time, you try to know that person. Just don't do it very quickly. Okay, so that's all I have for group number 2. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. So hello my group 3, whoever chose this green aventurine crystal. So exactly what you need to hear right now. So let's see. So with this green aventurine, I feel a green color. Okay, obviously green color is about nature, connecting to nature. I feel like that. So you need to ground your energy. Yeah, there needs to be grounding of energy. I feel like that. Okay, and you need to connect with earth. You need to like walk barefoot. If you have a garden, just walk barefoot. Okay, that will help you to ground your energy, and spend some time for yourself, pamper yourself. Okay, yeah. Oh, look at that. The first card you got is 10 of Swords. So you are definitely exhausted. You're not grounding your energy. I feel like that also. Maybe you need to exercise. Okay, I feel like you need to exercise also. So some of you are not exercising, or maybe some of you are exercising a lot also with this 10 of Swords energy, and you feel exhausted all the time. So just do everything in in moderation. I feel like that. If you're eating also, don't overeat. Okay, thank God it's okay, sorry, it was not focusing. So okay, so just don't overeat. Just do everything in moderation. I feel like that you need to hear. So some of you are eating like overeating, and some of you, I feel like they're not eating also because of all the responsibilities you have on your plate. Because with this 10 of Swords energy, you feel so heavy on your shoulders. I feel like maybe some of you have back pain also with this, but you need to take rest if you feel like that, or just do. I feel there's so much to do for you and you get exhausted, or maybe you're stressing about something and constantly thinking about something you have to do. Maybe you started a project or something, and that is getting heavier on you. You are getting all the responsibilities. You have so much to do, and you don't know where to go, and you're feeling so stressed. You are not able to eat. You are not able to think properly. So just take a break. So listen to your body also. When your body needs rest, give that give it a rest. Okay, so that's with this 10 of Swords energy. I all got that. And with this green aventurine also, you don't have to worry about anything. Things will be okay. This is just a temporary period. You will with this 10, I feel it is gonna complete also. Okay, you will reach there. Eventually you will reach there. Eventually you will complete that project. Eventually everything will be okay. Okay, so don't stress about anything right now. Just take one step at a time. And don't think about like for the future, about how this project will, how this is going to manifest or whatever it is. Just don't stress too much. That's the thing. And with the 6 of Cups, yes, you need to have this joyful energy, this childlike innocence. Okay, you have lost it. I feel like that you're not having fun at all. You're not pampering yourself. You need to do that also. I feel like that many of you are so exhausted that you don't want to do anything. You just want to sleep or something like that. I don't know, but I feel with the 6 of Cups energy, you need to embrace your your childishness, okay, you need to embrace the childlike energy also, that joyful energy you have, okay. So sometimes we don't do that, we become so serious about life, about your work you're very very serious, or something like that, about finances, about your relationship you're very serious. There is no humor in it, right? There is no innocence in it. So it's important you take, you know, you let that innocence out. Why are you thinking and why are you stressing too much? That's the question here. Maybe your health is not also good, okay. So your health, I feel like that for some of you, you know, you're feeling exhausted, your body is, you know, your body feels so tired all the time, and so that's why you're stressing about your health also. So it's important you maintain a positive vibe right now with the Six of Cups. I feel whatever you have, and for some of you it's just a message that the hard work you have put in the past, you will get the, you know, you will eventually reap it, okay. Don't worry about that. Maybe with this Ten of Swords you're not seeing that, you know, you're not seeing that whether you will be able to have the outcome you want, but you will get the outcome. So don't worry about that also. Just have this childlike energy, I would say. Be happy, like full energy, you know, be happy in what you have and enjoy every day, okay. Don't be in the future or in the past, be in the present moment, okay. Then next one is Knight of Swords energy. Yes, this is a fast moving energy, so things are gonna fastly move. So this is just a temporary situation, don't worry about it. Your angels want you to know that, okay. So with this Knight of Swords you are gonna move ahead like a warrior, I feel like that. You will win the race, okay. You will win the race, you don't have to worry about that. So things are gonna move forward with this Magician. Look at that, you have this Magician card, and look, she knows the way, she knows the way, okay. She is taking this dragon, okay. So I feel she knows the way, she has the wand, she has the resources, she has the power, and she can make it happen. So you can make it happen, okay. So whatever this is, if you're feeling exhausted in a relationship, or you're feeling exhausted in an idea, or exhausted in a career, you will move away from it, okay. And you know what to do. Your intuition will be also very good, I feel like that. And trust your intuition, I would say here, that is also. And you have the power, you know the way, you will know the way, you will have the resources, okay. And you will get the completion here, I feel like that. For many of you, you will get the output you deserve, okay. Sometimes you're just, I feel many of you are stressing a lot, but you don't have to stress, because you will eventually win, I feel like that. With this Magician you will win for sure. So whatever that is dragging you down right now, don't worry, because eventually you will win, because this is just a temporary situation. So believe in yourself, believe in your capabilities, okay. So that's the thing. Yeah, look at that. Don't stop, guys, don't stop. So many of you are trying to give up on this idea, or on this or anything. You feel like, because you're feeling so exhausted, you're trying to give up. Don't give up, don't stop, just keep moving, because things will be better, okay. You have the magic, you have the power, you have the manifestation power, and I feel your thoughts are also magnetic right now. So when you think, don't think too much of negative, you know. Sometimes negative emotions, you know, eventually comes. Be aware of that, I would say that, okay. When you're thinking too much negatively, just be aware of that. Don't stress about thinking negative, you don't have to stress about that also. Sometimes negative emotions come, and it's okay, okay. So just let it know, you be aware of it, that when you're stressing too much, just and when you're stressing too much, just one thing I need you to know that is, just ground your energy, meditate, okay. Read a book that makes you happy, or watch a movie, okay, something like that. Just distract yourself, okay. Look, door to spirit. I was talking about your intuition, right? So your intuition is going to be stronger, and you will have this inner guidance on what you need to do. So with this Magician card also, she knows where she wants to go, right? And you will know with this intuition. Your intuition will be so good that you will know what you need to do. So your inner guidance is very strong, so don't ignore your inner guidance, just go with it, okay. You're an earth angel who was born to protect, nurture and teach about nature and the animals. With this, yeah, I was talking about this nature. So with this, yes, you need to ground your energy, you need to connect with the nature more. When you connect with nature, you will be able to, get your inner guidance loud and clear, okay. So angels are protecting you, and I feel with these two cards here, your intuition is so strong, okay. So and maybe some of you have a pet dog or cat. You can connect with them, because you will, through them also, you know, you will get your answers. And with this surfacing card, look at the green color, you have this and this, okay. So yeah, and we have this green aventurine also here. So yeah, emotions are surfacing, you know, your intuition is very strong here right now. So take a look on that. Don't ignore your intuition, because your intuition, so many emotions are bubbling up, okay. So many emotions are coming out, okay. So sometimes you don't know what you need to do. So that at that point, just ground your energy, meditate, and then you will get the answers from within yourself. And if you have some, you know, if you have a garden or something, just spend your time there, okay. You know, you can connect with nature. It will be very helpful for you, okay, in your life, and you will be able to get out of this energy quickly when you connect with the nature, okay. You will get your answers, and you will know where you need to go. So everything is inside yourself, okay. You're just stressing out, and because of the stress, because of this negative emotions that you're having, you're not able to hear your intuition properly, okay. So it's the time, it's the, you know, it's the time you need to know that you need to connect with yourself, with your higher self, meditate, okay. And you will get, and you are definitely gonna move out of the situation. You don't have to worry, just don't stop, just keep believing in yourself, and completely trust your intuition, I would say here, okay. So yeah, you are the magician, you have the manifestation power. So you remember, your thoughts are also powerful, okay. So you can manifest whatever you want to manifest in your life, okay. And this is definitely a temporary situation, it will just move away quickly, okay. You don't have to stress about it, just keep moving, just ground your energy. And I feel you are going to be very, very abundant also with this greens, you know. You have this magic power inside you. You can manifest whatever you want to manifest, and you are the one who knows where to go, because your intuition is so strong here, okay. So that's all I have for group number 3. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care.